Let's take a look at what is happening in the markets, and we start off with the JSE. It did get lower Asian markets, and that's amid China keeping its interest rates unchanged in August, the third month that it has done that. Locally, in economic data, we did get July consumer inflation coming in hot at 3.5%. The JSE seeing red on that front, the all share declining by 0.14%. That largely coming from the Resources 10 complex that's taken a knock of more than 0.25%, followed by the Industrial 25 that softened 0.15%, and the Financial 15 relatively flat, just 0.01% below that flat line. Let's take a look at what is happening with the markets stateside, and of course, Fed minutes from its July meeting coming out this evening at around 8 p.m. South African time. Also, a big week for retailers. Yesterday, after getting the Home Depot earnings, today we did get earnings coming out of Target revenue, and at the bottom line, topping analyst estimates, but its sales falling. And the company did announce a new CEO. Those markets mostly red, tech-heavy Nasdaq leading those losses, plummeting by almost 1.5%. S&P 500 declining by more than 0.5%. The Dow, though, bucking that trend slightly, though, with a slight uptick of 0.05%. Let's check in on the markets across the Atlantic, and a mixed picture on that front as well. We do have the FTSE 100 being the only bourse in green territory, climbing by more than 1%, but the DAX leading those losses, softening by almost 0.75%, and the CAC 40 edging lower by more than 0.1%. Let's take a look at what is happening on the currency scene, and we start off with how the rand is doing against some of the major currencies, starting off with the dollar at 17 rand 69, remaining relatively flat. Just a little bit of weakness that we are seeing on the local unit today, against the pound at 23 rand 83, and against the euro at 20 rand 63. Let's take a look at the other currency pairs, starting off with the euro dollar at 1.16, pound dollar at 1.34, and the yen just above 147 against the greenback.